What if I told you there's a way to never worry about international data charges again? Picture this. You're boarding a plane to your dream destination, and instead of stressing about expensive roaming fees, you already have everything set up. Meet Saily, the game-changing eSIM service from NordVPN that's transforming how travelers stay connected. Saily delivers fast, reliable mobile data in more than 200 countries, and you can set it up in minutes before leaving home. No physical SIM cards to swap, no complicated processes, and no surprise charges. Just download the Saily app, select your destination, pick your data plan, and install your eSIM with one tap. Whether you need data for a weekend getaway or month-long adventure, Saily has flexible plans to match your needs. The service partners with leading local networks to ensure excellent coverage and fast speeds. With features like virtual location protection and ad blocking built in, you're getting peace of mind. Want to save more? Find our exclusive Saily discount code and direct link in the description and comments section. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.